Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alaba from Alaba the Unique Creations. It's so great for you guys to be here today. Likewise myself, I am so happy to show you what I'm going to show you today. Really, you know that rice we call bakbakba rice? Yes, that's what we'll be making today. That quick and easy one, that student type of rice. Yes, so today excuse me, I'll be using these two main ingredients. If you know this, let me know. This is ALDI mackerel canned fish. This fish is my go-to fish. I love this, and I love ALDI products. I don't care what anybody says. I am a super fan of ALDI. No, they did not sponsor this video. This is just me. These are things that I like, I enjoy. You understand? So I love to shop or do my groceries in ALDI. It's not that I don't go to other shops. Yes, I do go to other shops, but ALDI produce is one of my best here in Belgium. I enjoy them, and I buy my stuff there. So I have top 10 products that I buy from the ALDI. So I'll do a separate video on that. I'll do a separate video on ALDI versus other shops and the things you can get from ALDI, and compare the prices from other shops or other supermarkets. I always say shop, supermarkets, and you tell me, excuse me, then you tell me what you like and where you do your own groceries. So like I said, we are going to be making bakbakba rice. This is my go-to, my ALDI fish, mackerel fish. Very nice. If you try this fish, you won't like to use another canned fish from any other shop again. It's a very good quality, I won't lie to you. And we are going to be using these chopped tomatoes from the ALDI as well. These two ingredients are going to be my main ingredients today, and of course the rice. So I will tell you that this is the easiest kind of rice and the most delicious, because of me, I keep telling you that I used to be this kind of person that will put everything in her pot just to make a pot of tomato stew or tomato sauce. I'll put heaven and earth. Let me off this thing. Oh. I'll put heaven and earth. I'll put, you know, all those ones they call rishi, everything. But I think I've grown past that stage in my life that all those meat stuff, you know, it's not just too healthy for us. So we should try to diversify our method of eating, especially when you get to a certain age, you know. So we are going to be, that's just what I want to eat today, that bakbakba rice. I have rice, I have sauce, tomato sauce, stew with everything inside in my freezer. And this is my freezer, by the way. It's filled with all kind of, you see it's filled with all kind of soup, you know, so all kind of sauce. I closed my shirt inside the freezer. So all kind of sauce. So today I just feel like eating something simple, what I like to eat, what I have the urge to eat. If you are a student, this is something very simple, you know, very easy for you to make. With few euros, you can easily make a pot of meal that will last you for a day. And when you dish it in a container and put them in the freezer, it might last you more than a day or two. You understand? You don't need to break a bank just to, like I said, you don't need to break a bank just to make a pot of meal. I'm making that bakbakba rice today, and I will tell you how it turned out. So I'm using basmati rice. I love basmati rice. I like long gray as well, but I mostly eat basmati rice because my kids love it. Yeah, I'm going to use basmati rice. I've already chopped my onions, so yeah. So I will be adding some eggs to my rice for protein because of children. I'll be adding some eggs. You'll be wondering why I did this on my eggs. So these are the old eggs, like a week old or 3 days, 5 days old. They are, you have to mark them. So when you are getting fresh ones, like today I went to the shop, I got fresh ones. So these are the fresh ones. So we'll use these ones first. So anybody who is going to eat egg will know that this one should be used first before we start using this one. Usually I put them in the fridge, but I just want to also give you a tip on that eggs aspect. So we'll be adding eggs to our rice. Okay. Always make sure that you wash your eggs before you put them, especially when you want to add it to your food, your rice. You want to cook it together with your rice. So I added eggs, those eggs inside the rice so they can cook together. I poured boiled water in the rice because we are going to allow that to boil, and we'll proceed from there. I'm going to also add some salt, and yeah, they will continue from there. So we are going to start cooking the stew now. Like you see here, this is the oil from the fish. So much oil. I'm not going to use any more oil in this fish, in this sauce, or in this food I'm making, because the oil in this fish is just more than enough for me to use. Look at it, so much. And this oil is so rich, guys. Omega-3, so rich. So I'm going to use, see, so much oil. I love it. Yeah. So now that is done, I'm going to add my onions and pepper. Okay. Just avoid this side. Yeah. Very good. I have a Santa little pepper. So yeah. You can fear to that place where
it's happened before.
It's happened before. Okay, I'm going to add my bouillon or chicken stock cube, popularly known as Maggi. Okay. I'll reduce the fire. That fire is too much.
Stop.
The tomatoes, tin tomatoes or concentrated tomatoes. This is also very nice one. This is also from the ALDI. So I'm using all ALDI products today. Use everything. Don't remain anything.
Use everything.
Okay. Wash my hands. Don't worry, guys. I always wash my hands before I put them in my food.
Hygiene
very,
is key.
yeah, very important. So we are going to stir, and the next thing we are going to add to this pot is our chopped tomatoes. This one, like I told you, is going to be very quick, fast, and easy,
and delicious.
and delicious as always.
Continue stirring.
We will stir for some minutes or seconds. Minutes is too long. But we'll leave that to cook. I'm going to add some spinach, but not right away. We're going to add some spinach to this sauce. So we're going to do that later because it's spinach. So I'm going to close that, put the lid on to let it cook for some minutes, and I'll be right back. So our stew is cooking away. I've already added the spinach, and I'm going to add the eggs and the mackerel fish, mackerel tin fish. I'm going to use 4 cans, which is just more than enough. Why I like this fish so much, it's pure fillet. That's pure flesh fish, no bones, nothing. So you've got all the quality, everything, and it's much, guys. You see, it's very much. Look at that. Look at it. Beauty, a different beauty, unique beauty. This is unique stew, just like my name. Okay, so I'll leave that to cook all together and I'll be back. I guess you never knew that you could make a full pot of stew from these ingredients. You see how beautiful. And guys, it's going to be casual weekend soon, and I have something very special to prepare for you guys. Stay tuned for that. Saturday is our casual weekends where we'll be learning about something very simple, very easy to make. So stay tuned for that for Saturday's casual weekends. It's weekend, a week, but I make one meal. So the little girl is helping to cook. Hi. And she's standing on the chair. She's learning how to cook. So from next year she'll be cooking for us. So by next month will be 10 years, and she's going to start cooking. Okay, right now I'm going to add the rice. So our sauce is in a big pot. Hold it good, don't let it fall. Stay like that. Yeah. Add the rice now. Oh my god, this looks yummy. Very simple, very easy, and it's going to be very delicious. Like I said, you don't need to break the bowl just to make a pot of meal. And this is very good for students. A student kind of meal. Go to any shop, for 5 or 10 euro you can make food like this. And you are good to go for the rest of the week. Just dish them out in little pots, in little container. Put them in the freezer. Little portion. Put them in the freezer and let it stay there for as long as you want to eat. You always just go there. Pick it up. Oh, that's some rice. Pick one up and eat. You are good for the day. Yeah. I'm going to cover it with aluminium foil paper so it can just cook very well. And you come back to check. Final stage. Ooh, so much smoke. Yeah, it is looking good, guys. me. Alright, so guys, this is it. This is our delicious rice, courtesy of ALDI products, and you can make just from few ingredients. You can make something out of it, something delicious. Not all the time chicken, fish, meat, this turkey. No, simple thing like this is good. Just simple and delicious and rich. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave your comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.